And today we are here to do an unboxing with you of some yoga mats that we won and we became recipients of from the Give Back Yoga grant. And we applied for 20 yoga mats and we were rewarded with 18.
We are so grateful.
We are so grateful for that. Thank you so much,
guys.
Give Back Yoga. So with these yoga mats, we are going to work with trauma survivors in our neighborhood, like in our community. So just women that need to come together in order to receive yoga, in order to release and heal through trauma and work through that in the body. And also we're working with the undeserved neighborhoods and communities here where we live, you know, in the greater Franklin, Tennessee area. So yes, welcome to our unboxing. We're very excited. We got 3 boxes of yoga mats from Gaiam. So, and it tells us here, I think these are black yoga mats. And again, we got 3 big boxes of these, and they have 6 yoga mats in each box. Yes. So Rose is going to open very carefully. Awesome. Let's see. Oh, that's easy. Oh, well, these are actually not the black ones. These are
And they're so pretty.
They are pretty. Let's see. Oops. Oh, there you go. Take that out. Okay,
Oh, wow, they look so
nice. You can take one out. We have them packed. Okay, yeah, I can see this now.
Oh, so
they're gray and black. Okay. It says gray and black.
These are so
those
pretty.
Are the gray yoga mats. That's nice, right?
It is.
So
wow, so big.
Oh my gosh, they're heavy. Goodness. So this is a Dynamat athletic yoga mat. It is wider and longer, they say. It has ultimate grip. That's nice. Long wearing and 2 color. Reversible. So this is actually reversible. So it is gray and black. So gray on this side and black on the other side. Same with those.
Wow.
So
These
yes.
are so nice.
So with these, we will be able to service so many women that need the power of yoga in our community. And Rose and I specifically work with mothers and daughters trying to heal through trauma and better communicate and basically repair the relationship with mothers and daughters. So we do a lot of mother and daughter healing circles. So we definitely envision using these mats with mothers and daughters on the mat, getting them together in order to release and heal.
I'm so excited to be able to use these, and thank you guys so much.
Yes,
these are wonderful.
These are amazing. And once we use them, we'll be back with another video. So thank you for watching our unboxing today. And
we hope that you guys will have an amazing day or night. And we have a lot more videos coming up. So
absolutely. Thank you so much for joining.
Bye.